Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Reddit tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start a live stream to the Reddit public broadcasting network. So Reddit is currently testing a new feature which will be live streaming. This feature is temporarily available and will actually be removed from the website at the end of August 23rd this week. So if you want to give it a try, you only have until this Friday to do that. So in this tutorial I'll show you how you can live stream to it very easily. One thing to note about it, there is a very limited amount of broadcasts that you can actually do on this. So the chances of you being able to start a broadcast are pretty low, but I'll show you what it will look like and how you can get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do to begin live streaming to the Reddit public access network is to simply download the official Reddit app. So you can find this app in your respective app store by simply searching Reddit. Also check the description because I'll have links down there directly to these apps on iPhone and Android. Go ahead and install the app. Once you've installed the app, go ahead and open it up. Now you just need to log into your account. You can also create one if you don't have one. Once the Reddit app loads, you'll actually see the broadcast network start playing. Go ahead and just expand it so that it's larger. I have found that the first time I open it, it'll kind of get stuck on this tuning area. So if that happens to you, all you need to do is just back up, open it again, and I found that then it will work like it just did. So it gives you a quick description of what it is. And now you can view the broadcast network. You can also upvote and downvote all of the different live streams. But if you want to actually broadcast and begin your live stream to the Reddit public access network, all you need to do is go to broadcast. They do have very strict rules right now because they're testing this. So just make sure that it is safe for work. Select OK. And now we can add a title to it. Alright, once you get your title configured, you'll be able to start your broadcast. Now a couple things to remember. At the bottom here we have some controls. On the right you can flip the camera. By default it'll be using the rear camera on your phone to record, and then you can flip it to the front if you want. You can also view the chat and interact with the chat, and then if you want to share your broadcast you can get a link or share it on any social media using the share button. So I'll select start broadcast and see if I actually can get one started. This little arrow right there means that the available broadcast slots are currently full, so I need to wait until one opens up, and then in the meantime I can continue to hit start broadcast and see if I get lucky enough to actually be able to start one of these. And you may not even get to the point where you can see this error. It may just show you a blue screen that says all the available slots are full, so you just have to keep trying that way. So that's how you start a live stream on the Reddit public broadcast network. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Reddit tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.